Morning. If you're new to hiking or wild camping and you get confused and intimidated by YouTube's vast collection of self-professed G.I. Joes flouting their knowledge and promoting gear that you cannot afford, then you have come to the right channel.
Oh, Twinkle Toes, here he is!
Summit or Nothing is a channel for normal people interested in enjoying the outdoors, made by normal people with a love for all things wild. From hiking in the mountains to wild camping on Dartmoor, from navigating at sea level to bursting above the clouds. Never afraid to admit defeat or to make mistakes. Still not out of the woods. Got a bit wet.
Amazing that you're filming, but could you give me a hand?
Trev and friends at Summit or Nothing bring a refreshing and enthusiastic look at the outdoors, with a balanced amount of humour. Melon doesn't weigh nothing.
Alright mate, I take it back.
Leave the melon out of it. Awe-inspiring scenery. It's no wonder that people love to binge watch their quality content. With weekly adventures every Sunday evening and additional content such as budget gear reviews or informative videos throughout the week, Summit or Nothing have been busy gaining subscribers and experience since they launched in 2016. Please check out our channel and join the fast-growing community by hitting the subscribe button and ringing that bell. Let us know in the comments below what you would like to see more of, and it would be especially appreciated if you could share this trailer across social media and help us to spread the word. Stay safe, enjoy the outdoors, and have fun.